time to dust and caulk. What I'm doing here is I'm just dusting off all the cobwebs so we can caulk. If there are any holes in the trim, we will wood putty them. There are no holes in this trim, so we just skip that step. So we're going to caulk in any cracks that we see. I like using my finger instead of a rag because you can get deep in there. As long as you get to these caulk lines relatively quickly, they won't dry and you can do 2 or 3 at the same time as I'm doing. This is an advanced technique, not for the faint of heart. I'm a lefty, so I'm going to go from right to left. I'll start on the top and then work my way down. If you're a righty, you want to go left to right. So the goal when painting crown molding is to make the crown look like one seamless brush stroke. And so if you stop that to watch a funny video or do some nonsense and then you restart it, it's going to look real choppy, not smooth, and you'll be able to see where you started and where you stopped. So we want to avoid that at all costs. 99% of the time we do 2 coats on the crown molding. We didn't show it here because the process is the same. So once you're done your first coat, wait 2 to 4 hours, see if it's dry, and do a second coat.